The Connecticut River Valley Killer, also known as the Valley Killer, is the moniker for an unidentified American serial killer believed to be responsible for at least 7 murders of young women in the Connecticut River Valley region of New England between 1978 and 1988. In 1985 and 1986, the skeletal remains of 2 victims were recovered within 1,000 feet, 300 meters, of each other in a wooded area in Kellyville, New Hampshire. Forensic examination indicated multiple stab wounds. Between the recovery of the first and second bodies, a 36-year-old woman was fatally stabbed in a frenzied attack inside her home in Saxtons River, Vermont. 10 days later, the remains of a third missing woman were found, also bearing evidence of stab wounds. At this point, investigators began examining prior homicides in the area and found 2 previous cases, in 1978 and 1981, further reinforcing the presence of a serial killer. At the peak of the investigation, and after additional homicides and 1 non-fatal attack, investigators noted similarities in modus operandi, often used dump sites and specific wound patterns that linked many of the murders, suggesting a common perpetrator. The murders apparently stopped in 1988 after a woman survived an encounter with the killer. Around 2006, private investigator Lynn Marie Carty proposed that Michael Niccolo, who shot his estranged wife and stepdaughter before killing himself on New Year's Eve 2005, could have been the Connecticut River Valley Killer. While initially stating that Niccolo could be a suspect, attack survivor Jane Borowski stated in an interview for the Dark Valley podcast that she does not believe that Michael Niccolo was her attacker.